Innovation is important, and it's inevitable because that is the twin brother to change.
We have to think in new ways, and we have to create new systems. The world is changing, our students are changing, we're changing.
Virtual and augmented reality that puts you in a space and give you an experience that a traditional source might not do.
Teach the same concept or the same topic, but in a completely different manner.
Research and innovation are synonymous with learning, and our students will learn. The most important thing of all.
The R&I Center, as we call it, is part of the Division of Strategy and Innovation under the leadership of our Chief Strategist, Dr. Jackie Thomas. We have been planning for the future of higher education in the areas of technology, data, and human literacies, and we're excited to advance our campus in those areas for all faculty, students, and staff.
Our programs are designed to develop cognitive skills of our students in the areas of critical thinking, systems thinking, entrepreneurship, cultural agility, systems of thinking, and any skills that are required for the future workplace. Our center provides tools and resources that are helpful for our students, faculty, and staff members to do their research and to inspire their creativity. I'm Isabel Chen, and you can find me at the East Building, room E253 at the Lone Star College-Tomball. We welcome you to join us to discover what our center has to offer.